Hi there. Last time we walked through the whole process, how we connect the Notion database on columns, generate the visualization, and post back as an image to Notion page. Today the update is about now we post back an interactive graph. So let's take a look at the update. First, we see this is a sample database. It records every hour for each day how many people visit the clinic. So this is a sample data from a clinic, and this page is only have this database. So as usual, if we head into our workspace, we connect this new database, we can see that this is the database we're going to analyze. I don't know why is it showing as the title, not the title. But this is the one. We can modify that by click the page. Oh, actually this is a different one. Oh, actually this is this database. Okay, cool. So if we confirm, connect this database, we can see it still give us this, the preview. Before that, we can just double check whether everything looks good. So you can say clinic visits. Just simply connect. Columns generate the first graph, but I want to see every single day. But this sample is only give me Thursday. So I pop up the query wizard and I can ask columns. For example, I say from Sunday to Saturday, basically the whole week, by time column, which is hour, and just enter. The system is trying to understand the query and pop up all the weekdays for me, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, from Sunday to Saturday. In this case, it generated a group chart by each hour, so we can go ahead to click and do some tweak on the style. I think stack looks a little bit better because it actually puts every single day in a section of the bar. Secondly, I want to see the full number, so I can go ahead to close this and choose the value format as full value. I also want to have some summary on the left side, so I can go ahead to leave some space here. So maybe this is enough, and just drop smart widget, click and place. Let it pop up. By default, this is sum up the whole data set, right? For each weekday. We can also see the average, total, or percentage. Average by hour, basically this is, right? So everything looks good so far for me. If we want to see the total, we can see the total. Total visits across the whole data set, yeah. Now time to post back Notion. So here you can see it says share the graph back to Notion. We either can save this first in the gallery and then share, or you can share it right now. So when we click this button, it basically generates the snapshot of this, what we have seen, and post back to Notion. Probably already noticed that this actually becomes longer now, so it should be already posted here. So here you can see we have interactive content here as well, side by side. Just adjust the size so we don't need to see the scroll bar. If you hover, we can see the whole content. It's interactive. So it's not a single image anymore. If you want the image, you can download the image anytime. PNG, SVG, or data files. So yeah, so this is really achieved the bilingual sync, from data to Notion to columns, and analysis from columns to Notion. if you make any data changes, you can always leverage the reload data option, just trying to sync up your data and reflect on the graph. I hope you like this new update. Thank you. Bye.